Hey guys, so I'm here again in TF2 and reviewing my top loadouts for the class. We're going to be looking into a soldier. I have the black box. It has a minus 25 clip, but you gain up to 20 health per rocket. So that can mean life and death in a game. When you're going against a pyro or even a scout or another soldier, you could survive more, or because you have leech or health regain. The gunboats reduces damage to yourself, so you could rocket jump. It gives you tons of mobility, and you know, even though it doesn't reduce your fall damage, it will help you move around the map faster and plan surprise attacks on the opponent. And often when you do this, they won't see it coming because you come in so fast at them. And an escape plan. You get 90% less health from medic sources, so anything like crossbow to the amputator or the medigun, you will save less, but you also get increased movement speed while you have less HP. Remind you that this also gives the opponent a chance to mini crit you and kill you, so you gotta be fast. Now I'm gonna be jumping to gameplay to show you how this exactly works.
Stand next to the cart, damn you!
Well, that was unexpected. So I guess now I'll be showing you another top loadout I have, and this is gonna be for my sniper class. My favorite loadout would be the or any regular melee you have, the Darwin's Danger Shield prevents one-shots from other snipers if they're going for quick headshots, and the Bazaar's Bargain. So I basically, you start with 50 less, but it increases up to 200 after 8 heads, and it only gains from headshots. So you have to be pretty good at headshots. You know, it requires practice, but you'll get there. And it is also really good for you know, quick scoping, because even at, you know, evened out, your full charge will deal 150 to the body. And I love any weapon that gives actually like a reward for killing your opponent. So I'll show you some gameplay with this. Hopefully they don't push too hard so I can get it from headshots. Like that. God. That really hurt. So like you can see, like I kept moving as a sniper and I saw my opponent before I actually shot them, and so then I could have better aim. It helps you guide your shot before you actually shoot it. So yeah. So they're gonna push, and I'm gonna end the video because we're gonna lose anyways. So thank you guys for watching. This has been a little bit of bonus, 2 loadouts in one video. I'm trying to do other stuff like man vs machine or you know, tours, and showing you like how to beat it easily or what classes and loadouts you should be using. Thank you anyways, and see you in the next one.